Okay. Like the most plain thing, one shot. I have no idea what I'm doing. And this is what, and I'm doing this so people can genuinely see like how this stuff works. Watch this. Like just one simple thing. Okay, I'd be happy to like do this. Now it's like, let me understand what it's doing. This is where it's now going through the MCP. And now it asks for clarity, right? I'm going to say, use your best judgment, and I want it to go as viral as possible, right? So now it's like, okay, now it'll probably help me create the image, right? So now look, now it's thinking and it's saying, what do I need to actually create this? So now it's going to create me an image. Now it's plugged into like 5 different image generators. I think 5 or 6 different ones. There's the Gemini image generator, there's Flux, there's GPT image creator. So now this is the first step.